So now we're gonna properly balance the tire out. Forgot to say it in the previous video. Yep. So let's put it on. This conical shape will do the thing, the job. Lock it in. Make sure it's tight. Yes, I already put in the correct values, but I'll show it. By the way, this is normally it's this is on the clamp, and but that's for steel rims. So I take this off. I put the conical shape right over here because with the steel rims it's over there. And this way you can do aluminum rims with this machine, and you touch nothing, you harm nothing. Paint is perfect. Voila. So we're gonna turn it off, start it up again. Then we're gonna measure how wide this is, and looks like 8.3, 8.5 more. This I can only choose 8.2, I think. Then this is the distance till the machine from the rim. Okay, we do it, we take it, and it has to light up the screen with this one. It's a 17 inch, and it was 8.5. We're gonna take 8.5. It's closer to 8.5. So now we're gonna push the button. Normally it's with a safety shell, but I think this is easier. Saves you a bit of room. Just stick your finger in it and it will work. That's what she said. So yes, now we're gonna press aluminum because we have to choose this option, aluminum. Yeah, so 65, 25. Look, we mounted the tire correctly and it still demands 25 and 65. Yeah, that's a bit yeah, could happen, but that's a lot. Yeah, so 25 goes on here. This machine always calculates the weight to be added on top of the rim, so I mark it. And now we can easily just, oh look, the old ones are not so far off, so yeah. Still a bit of a difference. We'll clean it with some brake cleaner. Yeah, the bottle says no. No problem. If it's grease, brake cleaner. If it's just plain filth, yeah, take some dishwasher soap with water. But it seems like the brake cleaner is doing its thing. Really inexpensive and always good to flying around. So we need 25, 15, 20, 30. Yeah, take a new one. Yep, 25. Start with 10, 10, 15, 25. Just do it like this. Up. And we stick it on there really good. Yep, press it down firmly. And then the next one. Oh, up, 65. I put 2 marks on it when it's the right side, so I can. Ah, look where the old ones went. So in this case, it would have been good, almost good, to leave on the old weights, but I wanted to show it how it is with everything new. Look, I wanted to clean it up, but this is not moving. So what are we gonna do? We have options. We have the rubber wheel somewhere laying around here, but it doesn't work too well with the glue on the weights. So we're gonna take the brass brush right over here. Up, put on full power. Yep, and then pretty any machine, Black & Decker, super good. Then we're gonna clean up with the drill, and I don't know if you can see it. It's like this. Yep, it's going. And that will be almost enough. Well, let's do the whole thing. No big deal. And there's no other way to get it off. I've tried so many things. This leaves almost a little bit of scratches, but you cannot see it inside the rim, so nobody cares. If it's a really expensive rim from like a Bugatti or something, maybe you want to use some alcohols or to dissolve it and this and that, but in the real world where the real people live and work, there's no time for such child's play, let's say. Plus there are gonna be new weights on the spot, so you will not see it at all. So they say 65, I say 60 because 60 is a whole stack of weights, a whole lat, bar, whatever, how you want to call it. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the line I drew. Yep, beautiful. 60 grams, beautiful. Yeah, that's most of the time this is the case with aluminum rims. So 15. Right side, that's over there. By the way, you have to do this because when it's not on balance, you're gonna wear out this suspension too soon. You're gonna feel when they're lying in the front, the tires on the front of the car. You're gonna feel it in the steering wheel. So you have to line it out. Balance it out, sorry. Balance. 15, I saw some 15s here, I think. No, I was dreaming. Am I a dreamer? Creamer, are you